So once you make that drive, it's about a mile and a half till you get to the visitor center right there. Then you could take it's probably about a 15-minute video. I highly recommend it, and give you a little backdrop, a little story about Wormsloe Plantation. All right. So now I'm about to do the Tabby ruins, and they have a pine trail. So it's right here. So I was told to go left, and then we're gonna do the trail, and there's several points that I'll be highlighting. So let's go. All right, so still walking from, I guess, in the beginning. They said the loop is about a little less than a mile, so I think 0.8 miles. So it's not gonna take terribly long for the loop, but they do have off the beaten path trails, which I would not be doing due to the rain. So it's very unkept and very, very, very muddy. Okay, guys, so coming down that long path, it opens up to a clearing. This is where Noble Jones' family house was at, the Tabby or Wormsloe Plantation. But yeah, so it was like a 5-bedroom house, 1.5 stories. And like the cool part about this, they do have markers all over the place, so you can learn a little bit of the history as you go along. All right, so coming down the path, bending to the left, following along this river, you come to Noble Jones' resting place. This is his crypt, or just like I said, where he's buried at. All right, so I think Colonial Village, I believe that's what it's called. I think it's pretty cool. The only thing I would say that maybe would make it better if they had actual like people that was kind of reenacting their jobs, like the blacksmith, whatever family that may have lived right here, something like that. So they have the little furnace where they would be baking, or cooking. So yeah, it's really nice. So directly that way is another trail, which I'm not going to do, but it is an option. Like I said, that's one of the off the beaten path trails. I think it's like a little over 3 miles. So keep walking back towards the front. All right, so circling back around, I'm back at the parking lot, the visitor center with the movies. All right, so this concludes Wormsloe Plantation or Historic Site. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you tune in next Monday, same time, same bat channel. And make sure that you like, subscribe, leave a comment, recommend, share it out, do all the above, right? Oh man. Like I said, it's a real nice little day trip. You can do both, all right? Because there's no point in driving way out to one and not seeing the other one, okay? All right, guys. Peace.